why traditional databases sometimes struggle with complexity and large data sets? You see, these databases, while robust, can falter when tasked with managing intricate relationships between data points, particularly when the datasets are enormous. Their structure can lead to inefficiencies, making it challenging to quickly access the information you need. But don't worry, there's a hero waiting in the wings to tackle these issues. So, if traditional databases are not equipped to handle complexity and large datasets, what can? Enter the world of graph databases. A graph database, in simple terms, is an innovative way of representing and storing data. It's like a huge web of interconnected points, where each point, or node, represents a piece of data, and the lines connecting them, called edges, represent the relationships between these pieces of data. Think of it like a social network, where each user is a node and every friendship is an edge. Unlike traditional databases that store data in rigid, predefined tables, a graph database is designed to handle complex relationships with ease and efficiency. It's like comparing a crossword puzzle to a spider's web. The crossword puzzle has a fixed structure and limited connections, while the spider's web is flexible and connected in numerous ways. This makes graph databases ideal for handling large datasets, where relationships between data points might be complex and constantly changing. So, graph databases offer a more efficient and flexible solution for handling complex data relationships. But what does this mean for you? Imagine being able to analyze and interpret complex data with ease and accuracy. That's the power of graph databases. With applications spanning social networking, recommendation engines, and fraud detection, these databases are shaping our world. They're transforming how we understand data, offering more efficient analysis and interpretation, leading to profound insights. Whether you're sifting through social connections, personalizing content, or identifying fraudulent activities, graph databases are your secret weapon. Graph databases, a revolutionary tool for handling, analyzing, and interpreting complex data. Time to embrace the future of data management.